A day at the beach. He's got a cracker he wants to throw. You gonna throw your cracker? Here, look. If you throw your cracker, they get it. You see? Good job. You threw your cracker. You want another one? Here. Come get another one so you can throw it. Good job, Lovey. All right. How big of a... Come on now. Got a handful of them. All right. Are you going to throw your cracker? Are you going to throw a cracker for him? Put it on the ground, like throw it down so they can have it then. No, you have a handful, dude. Hate to break it to you. Are you having fun, Lovey? I'm going to the beach. Hey, wait. Where you going, seagulls? You gotta throw them a cracker. Shoot. My finger over the speaker, sorry. You have to throw them a cracker. Oh my goodness, seagulls everywhere. I see why you don't want to throw crackers. You want to throw them to the Elliot. All right.